And we're back again. I don't know why it does that. Every time I hit the go live, it starts the live, then it cuts off. Anyway, would you like to know how to play Jedi mind tricks with your prospects? Do you want to know how to get in their mind and essentially control what they're thinking and like kind of maybe even manipulate how they react? Well, hang in there, because today, on this episode, we're going to talk exactly about, we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about what it is you can do to essentially get into your prospect's mind and control what they think, how they act, and the end result that you, in particularly, are looking for. Hey there, Isai Rodriguez coming at you with more tips, tricks, and advice so that you can get the most out of your network marketing business. As usual, as you're hopping on, if you could, give me a thumbs up, a little heart action, show me some love. I would love to know where you're tuning in from, what part of the beautiful blue planet you're located on, and hey, why not drop in the comments, what time zone you're in, huh? All right, let's get right into it then. Our prospects or prospects in general, are reactive creatures. Like, we, most of our decisions or most of their decisions are, they're simply reactionary. Like, there's something that happens and they make a split decision right then and there, as like in reaction to what's happening to them at that moment. So I want to play, kind of paint a picture for you as an example. So I found this example in a blog. This was awesome. It just kind of made me chuckle a bit, and I was like, that's a great example. Just kind of, right out bluntly paints the picture of what what the message that you're trying to get out. And that is, think of yourself at the mall, or let's just say at the mall. You're at a mall and you walk out of the mall, right? And let's say you have $100 in your pocket. Okay, follow me, right? So you take that $100, right? And you go up to the very first stranger that you encounter, the very first stranger you see, and you just walk up to them with a nice big, grin or smile, and you just hand them the $100 without saying anything. What do you think their reaction is going to be? Drop it in the comment if you think what, like, what do you think their reaction would be if you're at a mall, $100 in your pocket, you walk out of the mall, and the very first stranger you see, boom, big smile, you hand them the $100. What's their reaction? What are they, what do you think they're gonna, how are they gonna react? If you're like me, you know what I mean? My reaction would be like, well, hey, thank you. This is my lucky day. You know what I mean? Like, I should play the lotto. Like, at this point, I'm on a roll. Like, most people will react in some similar way. Like, they're going to be appreciative. They're going to, they're gonna say something to that effect, like, "Oh, it's my lucky day," or whatever the case may be. And they'll thank you. They're going to be very happy, very genuine, because that's just the way we are. That's the type of creatures that we are. Now, let's take that same scenario. You at the mall, you walk out the mall, the first stranger that you see. Matter of fact, let's make it the same stranger that you gave the $100 to. But this time, you're not giving them the $100. Follow me? This time you're walking out of the mall and you see the same stranger, but this time you walk up to him and you punch him in the nose. Now, before you get all, worked up, I'm not condoning you walk out in public and just punch someone to see their reaction. I'm simply giving you a pretty vivid example. Now, again, you're at the mall, walk out, same stranger, sock them in the nose. What's their reaction? You tell me. Drop it in the comments if you think you know. Like, how would you react? Like if somebody just walks up to you, swings at you, some complete stranger, would that make you happy? Would you be appreciative? How would you react? My bet is you're going to react negatively or in some hostile manner, right? Now, the point of this example, of these two scenarios, is to illustrate that we as humans are reactionary. You walk up to me, you give me $100, I'm going to appreciate that. I'm going to say, oh, thank you. Like, I may be like, what's this for? Like, what's the catch? But if you were to genuinely give me $100 bill, I'm going to say, thank you. I appreciate it. I can use this. Now I can go to lunch, or now I can, whatever the case is, whatever your case is. But on that same token, if you come at me, I'm walking into this mall, you come at me and you're about to swing, I guarantee you my reaction is not going to be, very friendly. Not that I'm a hostile person or, confrontational or anything. I'm just saying I would defend myself. You know what I mean? Again, the point is that we are reactionary people. You know what I mean? So why expect anything different from your prospects? Why would you expect anything from a prospect? Like you're going up to your prospect and you have, let's say you have a line or two or three, and you're using these 2 or 3 lines and, nothing's working. You're not getting a good reaction out of them, right? Why would you continue to use these 3 lines, right? Wouldn't it be better, like a better idea to maybe learn a different line or use a different line, or even just try different approaches to that same line to see if you get a different reaction? Give me a thumbs up if this is resonating with you, if you're following me. Because essentially, if you don't like the behavior of your prospect, if you're approaching them with the same 3 or 4, however many lines, and you're not getting the reaction that you want or that you're expecting, you know what I mean? Like, why would you continue? Why wouldn't you change what you say? Why wouldn't you change the approach that you take with them? There's a great quote by Einstein, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty well known. But I'm gonna drop the quote anyway because I love it. The first time I heard it, I was like, holy man, that's brilliant. That is brilliant. And it goes, this is by Einstein, it goes, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results. Brilliant. I don't even know what to say about that. But listen, if you're trying the same thing, if you're saying the same lines over and over again, it's been a week, it's been 2 weeks, it's been a month, it's been a year, whatever the case may be, you're not getting the results, then it's time for you to try something different. It's time to start doing something different. Drop me a hashtag Einstein if this quote, this insanity quote resonates with you. Because I'll tell you something, I was stuck in that boat. You know what I mean? Like I was using these scripts and trying this, and maybe it wasn't in my own voice. Maybe that was the issue. I don't know. But what I did know was that it wasn't working. I wasn't getting the reaction that I wanted or that I was expecting from my prospects. And so I figured like, listen, I need to change it up here. Like this is not working for me at all. You know what I'm saying? Like, again, drop me a hashtag Einstein. Give some love to Albert Einstein. I read a lot of his stuff. Yeah. Anyway, that's another story. But learn to talk to your prospects. If you need to get with your upline, get with your upline. Tell them, hey, these scripts are not working. I need something better. I need to up my game. I need another strategy. Get with your upline and figure it out. Like, that's what entrepreneurs do, is we figure shit out. You know what I mean? But the beauty of network marketing is that we have that support system. You know what I mean? Like, we have our upline. You know, like, we have people that have been in this industry for longer than we have. No matter how long you've been in this industry, there will always be somebody that has been in the industry longer than you. So use that as a resource. You know what I mean? Don't be foolish. You know, don't be insane. Don't continue to do the same things day in, day out, not getting the results that you're looking for, and then wondering why my business is not growing. You know what I mean? Like, there's only one common denominator in that whole situation, in that whole formula. And that's you. That's whoever's business it is. If it's yours, if it's mine, if my business isn't working, guess whose fault is that? Is that my downline? Is that my upline? Is that my sideline's fault? Is that my company's fault? Is that the fault of the product? Is that the fault of the industry? No, that's my fault. That's my responsibility to build my business to a point that makes me feel comfortable. You understand? So in marketing, this concept of speaking to your prospects in a way that you can essentially control their minds and control the output of what you want them to do, like essentially speak to them and in a way that gets the result that you're looking for. In marketing, this is known as copywriting. So what it is that the way that you phrase things, the words that you select to convey your message, to present your product or your opportunity. There's a certain way, there are certain words that you should use in order to get the result that you're looking for. And this copywriting should not be what's the word I'm looking for? It shouldn't be confused with like the legal copywriting, where there's a legal document where it's there's copywriting laws and stuff like that. Totally different. Copywriting is literally the writing or the verbiage that you use for selling something. It could be your opportunity, it could be your business, it could be just a thought. If you're trying to convey a message, like it's the effective or the most effective way to convey that message and the correct way. So I hope this message hit home for you. I know I came across this in several blogs and I kind of put them together and it just kind of made me, it really hit home for me. So I hope it hit home for you. And I hope you found value. If you did, please share this with your friend. Give me a big old thumbs up, little heart action. Let me know if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, what else you would like to know about. Drop me a message and let me know what you want to talk about. And we'll get that addressed in no time. If you're looking for more advanced training in copywriting or writing sales pages or putting together a sales funnel or anything to that effect, blogs, anything to build your business and to take your business online. If you're looking for stuff like that, I have an excellent resource, and you can learn about it on my free 10-day attraction marketing boot camp hosted by Fernie Ceballos, and he'll walk you through all the steps of what attraction marketing is and how you can use it to build your business, your brand, and attract your tribe to you so that you can stop chasing deadbeat leads and have them start chasing you for a change. And also, if you're not aware, I also have, I'm building my business on the side as well. So I'm always looking for some eager people that are willing to run. They're hungry. They want to build something for themselves. They want to create some financial freedom in their life, essentially do what they want, when they want, where they want, with whom they want. If that sounds like you and you're ready to rock and roll, then drop me a message. Let me know you want to work with me, and let's get the ball rolling. Again, if you found value in this, share this with your team, share this on your page, on your profile, and let's get the message out there. Until the next video, take care now. Bye.